Today I'm going to show you how to use a tuning app to find your exact vocal range. Welcome to Singgeek. Hi singers, my name is Ronja Peterson and as always I'm super excited to be here geeking out on your voice. So in today's quick tip for singing, I'm going to show you how to use a tuning app which you can download for free on your phone to find your exact vocal range. So the way that these tuning apps work is that you sing or play a note, ah, and then the app tells you exactly what it is. So mine, for example, right now said A3, and that's pretty cool. The thing that makes a tuning app especially valuable when you're mapping out your voice is that it will tell you what octave you're singing in. And now you might be thinking, what is an octave? Now, an octave means how high or low that pitch you're singing is. So, for example, if I'm singing, I'm singing G3. I can also sing, which is G4. And now those two pitches sound the same. They're both G, but one is higher and one is lower. So when you map out your vocal range, you want to make sure that you have the right octaves, and that is where the tuning app is so helpful. I've made a previous video where I have a track playing that you follow along with. It's called Find Your Vocal Range, and then you match those pitches. First you go down and find your lowest note, and then you go up and you find your highest note. And I noticed that a few singers, not everyone, but just some, what happens is that when they start, for example, they ascend with the track. When they get to that higher note, maybe they'll go down and match that same pitch but in the lower octave. And so you will get a misrepresentation of your vocal range. So what you do is that as you sing along with this track, it's on this card right here, and I'll also link to it in the description below. But as you sing along, you just keep this close to your mouth and you monitor that both the pitch, of course, but also that the octave number is the same as the one you see on the screen in the video. And that way you can make sure to find your exact vocal range. One quick thing to mention is that you just want to make sure that you keep the tuning app closer to the sound source that is your mouth and not the source that is for example, the computer, because otherwise the app will pick up those octaves and not you, right? So just keep it closer to you as you're singing along with the computer. Now that was it for this quick singing tip video, guys. If you have any questions, don't be shy. Just ask them in the comments below. Usually you guys tend to ask the same questions. So if I answer your question in a video, it will really help someone else out the next time they search the web for answers. So that's so cool. So don't hold back, just ask. And now, if you haven't done it yet, there's this subscribe button right here that you can click. And so that you can join me next time as we continue to geek out on your voice to create the sound that you want.